The poached egg is really not that complicated. People genuinely try to overcomplicate poached eggs for some reason. I haven't figured out why. I've seen it all. The thing that people try to do a lot when they're poaching eggs, whisk the water in a circle and drop the egg in so that the white surrounds the yolk and makes this. You don't need to do that. I've seen people put vinegar in the water. I've found that you don't need to do that. I keep it really simple. I only do one thing that's different, is I crack the egg into a passette or some sort of strainer that has close, small holes, because that water that sits around the white, it makes your poached egg just a little bit more messy, and it makes the water more messy. So what I do is crack the egg into a strainer like this, let that excess water that surrounds the egg white drip out, and that way you sort of just have a tight egg, which is white and yolk together. The fresher the egg, the tighter the white. Then I'm going to season the water, really gently pour that into my water. It's just below boiling. It's not going so much that it's going to damage the egg or bump it around too much. It's just kind of low simmering, and then I'm just going to let it go. Now, if you're doing a lot of eggs at once, if you're doing 15 eggs at once, get a rondeau or a nice big pot. You start at the top, 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you know the order in which you put your eggs in, so you know which ones to take out if you're doing multiple eggs at a time. Now, that poached egg has been in there for about a minute, and you can tell from the inside of the egg, when you sort of wobble it, you can tell how soft or firm that the yolk is, and if you know whether or not to take it out. You want it to be a bit runny, a poached egg. So you want to take it out a bit right there. What's your favorite way to cook eggs? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe, follow. Let me know in the comment section if you want more deep dives into specific ingredients like this.